The coronavirus in 1 minute. The coronavirus originated from China, specifically in Wuhan. It continued to spread until it hit international grounds. There, it began making its mark, infecting most of the countries with the virus. As of May 5, 2020, there has been a reported 3.5 million cases, where 248,000 were deaths and 1.13 million were recovered. So, how do we prevent the virus from spreading? Proper hygiene, of course. Frequently wash your hands, especially after coming in contact with unclean objects and or surroundings. Make sure to use soap. Don't forget to scrub every part of your hand to make sure that every part of it is clean. Other tips include using alcohol to make sure your hands are dirt-free and wearing face masks when going outside to reduce the chances of getting infected with the virus. Stay safe, everyone!